Hi, I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. In this video, we will learn vocabulary related to the healthcare. Let's begin! Part 1. Physical health issues. Let's learn about common physical health issues we may face. Headache. Headache. Toothache. Toothache. Backache. Backache. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Cold. Cold. Flu. Flu. Fever. Fever. Cough. Cough. Sore throat. Sore throat. Nausea. Nausea. Dizziness. Dizziness. Allergy. Allergy. Muscle pain. Muscle pain. Cramps. Cramps. Spain. Spain. Bruise. Bruise. Infection. Infection. Swelling. Swelling. Burn. Burn. Part 2. Mental health issues. Now let's explore common mental health issues that can affect us. Stress. Stress. Anxiety. Anxiety. Depression. Depression. Insomnia. Insomnia. Panic attack. Panic attack. Mood swings. Mood swings. Phobia. Phobia. Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder. Fatigue. Fatigue. Nervousness. Nervousness. Schizophrenia. Schizophrenia. Eating disorder. Eating disorder. Addictive behavior. Addictive behavior. Part 3. Healthy activities. Let's explore common types of exercises and their benefits. Stretching. Stretching. Push-ups. Push-ups. Sit-ups. Sit-ups. Squats. Squats. Yoga. Yoga. Pilates. Pilates. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. Aerobics. Aerobics. Boxing. Boxing. Jogging. Jogging. Walking. Walking. Cycling. Cycling. Swimming. Swimming. Part 4. Healthy nutrition. Let's learn about essential food choices and healthy nutrition habits. Fruits. Fruits. Vegetables. Vegetables. Whole grains. Whole grains. Protein. Protein. Fiber. Fiber. Vitamins. Vitamins. Minerals. Minerals. Healthy fats. Healthy fats. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Water. Water. Nuts. Nuts. Seeds. Seeds. Lean meat. Lean meat. Dairy. Dairy. Legumes. Legumes. Part 5. Healthy issues and advice. In this section, we will learn how to express common health problems and the advice you can give. I have a fever. I have a fever. Take medicine and get some sleep. Take medicine and get some sleep. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Gargling with salt water helps. Gargling with salt water helps. I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. Try sitting down for a while. Try sitting down for a while. My back is aching. My back is aching. Stretching might relieve the pain. Stretching might relieve the pain. I've been sneezing a lot. I've been sneezing a lot. You might want to take an allergy pill. You might want to take an allergy pill. I feel drained. I feel drained. Perhaps take a nap this afternoon. Perhaps take a nap this afternoon. That's all for today, guys. Hope these phrases will help you communicate effectively about healthcare. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I am May from Langmaster Learning System. Bye bye!